Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you guys how I achieved this look using affordable products. So before we get into this video, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel. So first thing first, I'm going to use a baby wipe to remove maybe oil or dirt from my face. Then I am using this pulley to brush my brows, then going in with this blood brow tint. I like using the brow tint before outlining my brows. I've been using this method for a while now and I think I like it. So after that, I take a brow pencil. I'm using the Davis pencil in number 18 just to outline my brows. As you can see, I'm just following my brow shape. So I outline the bottom and the top. After outlining it, I went ahead to clean it up with the LA Girl concealer in Cool Tan and a flat brush. At the top of the brow, I used a concealer that is my shade. I can't remember the concealer I used, but you use a concealer or a foundation that is your shade to outline the top. Then here I'm using the Zaron face primer just to prime my whole face. This primer is really matte though, so you just need one in your bag. So I let it dry before I start apply my foundation. But before I apply my foundation, I use this AOA Studios illuminating primer on my face just to add a little shine, a little glow on the face. So the foundation that I used is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I mixed I think golden, and I will check the name and I'll link it in the description box. I mixed the two, golden and another one, I can't remember the name, just to get my shade. So I went ahead with this Zaron Buffing foundation brush just to blend everything together. After that, I'm using the same Cool Tan concealer to highlight my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin and cupid bone. Then I went ahead to blend everything with the nubanbeauty Christmas edition beauty sponge. So I went ahead to take the Tara palette, a powder palette. Then I'm mixing the two dark shade in that palette to contour. I'm using the nubanbeauty contour brush. Then I'm setting my face with the milani powder in 109 warm to set my highlight. Then I'm using this powder brush from nubanbeauty to just buff out the excess powder on my face. Then I went ahead to apply blush. The blush I'm using here is the classic blush palette. Then I went ahead to use this Revolution banana setting powder to set the bridge of my nose, then set underneath my eye so it will catch any fallout when I start doing the eyeshadow. So time for my eyeshadow. I'm using this Kalahari palette from Eyeshadow Cosmetic, taking that brown shade, then I'm just going to apply that on my crease using a blending brush. So after that, I'm going to take that shade just to blend the first shade I applied on my crease. Then I am going to cut my crease using a concealer. You can use a primer, but I like using concealer, it's more creamy. Then after that, I'm going to take that light shade, then apply it on my lid. Then I'll go back to that same first brown I applied on my crease before cutting it, just to blend any harsh line on the outer corner of my lid. Then after that, I went ahead to take this black shadow from Lady V eyeshadow palette just to deepen the outer corner of the eyes. So after buffing out the setting powder, I went ahead to set my face with this Yangabeauty Set to Go setting spray. So the highlighter that I use is from Revolution, and I use the nubanbeauty brush to apply that. So moving on to lashes, I have a video of how I fix my lashes. I will link it down in the description box below for you guys to watch an in-depth video of that. So after applying my lashes, I went ahead to use the Zaron lengthening mascara. I'm applying that on my natural lashes so it can blend with the falsies. For my lip, I'm lining it with hushbeauty lip stain in Steel. Then I'm applying this nude lip stain from Minos. I also have a video of how I do my ombre lip. I think this particular color, I'm going to link it in the description box for you guys to watch the video as well, because this one is not really an in-depth video of how I do my lip. So after blending the whole colors together, I just applied a clear gloss on my lips. Guys, it's raining here and it's going to be difficult for me to continue this voice over stuff. So after the lip, I was done with the whole look, trying to arrange my hair here. So this is the final look. I will list everything that I used to achieve this look in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.